Hello everyone, in today's video we will show you how to fix the problem of Mozilla Firefox repeatedly crashing or closing unexpectedly. So let's get started. First, we will restart Firefox in Troubleshoot mode, also known as safe mode. To do this, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the browser. Scroll down and open help. Here you will see Troubleshoot mode. Depending on your Firefox version, it may be called restart with add-ons disable. Click on it, a small pop-up window will appear. Simply click restart. Another pop-up will now appear. If Firefox works properly in troubleshoot mode, it means the issue is most likely caused by one of your add-ons or themes. Click open to continue. As you can see, we have successfully identified the source of the problem. Another method you can try is updating Firefox. Once again, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, go to help and then click about Firefox. Firefox will automatically check for available updates. If an update is available, click restart to update Firefox. Keeping Firefox up to date helps fix bugs and other issues that can cause the browser to crash. That's all for today's video on how to fix Mozilla Firefox crashing issues. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in the next video.